it's Nelly. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What do we think of this new setup? I feel like I'm under a sun, catching a tan. So for today's video, we are going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing makeup tutorial try on. Every single month I like to take my Boxycharm and I like to do a makeup tutorial using the products that are in the box. So not only am I showing you how to use them, but I'm also giving you guys a little bit of inspiration on how on a makeup look that you can create with your box. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. You pay $25 and you are guaranteed 4 to 5 full size, you heard that right, full size beauty products. And that is amazing. They're the only subscription box that I know of that guarantees you 4 to 5 full size beauty products, which is crazy to me. As always, I like to open up my box beforehand just to make sure that I have everything I am going to need in order to create a home makeup look. And I noticed that my box this month did not include a little unit carton. So it does not include a unit carton that lets us know prices of everything, that lets us know details. So I don't know if that's just my box because I am on their PR list. I'm just going to very quickly just show you guys what I got in my box, and then I'll put more details of the products on the screen so you guys can see like the prices, all of that. First thing that I see is the Shampoo Bar by Daily Concepts. And this is just, it says it's a plant-based shampoo bar that has everything you need for clean, beautiful hair with no plastic. I guess this is like a bar for your hair, kind of like a soap bar, but this is a shampoo bar. So I'm kind of interested to try this. This is what it looks like. And it smells like a spa. It smells like when you go to a spa, you know, some spas have that like eucalyptus scent, like that lavender eucalyptus scent. This is exactly how this smells like. It smells delicious, but unfortunately I'm not going to be trying this on camera because I do have to get in the shower, wet my hair, and all of that good stuff. So I'll give this a try and I'll let you guys know how I like it, and I'll put all the information in the description. But I'm really interested in this because I've never ever seen something like this, like ever. The next thing that I see is the Pretty Vulgar. This is an eyeshadow primer, so I'm excited for this. I'm not really big on eyeshadow primers. If you guys have been following me for many years, you know that I usually just go in with my concealer to prime my eyelids. But since the box did include an eyeshadow primer, we're going to use it and we're going to see how it works. Next, we have the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. So this one I have seen a bunch of people talk about. It smells really good. It has kind of like a jelly consistency. So I'm going to try this as I do my eyeshadow makeup. I'm going to go ahead and apply this mask to the bottom half of my skin. Next, we have the Studio Makeup Ease to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. And I am so excited for this eyeshadow palette. I think I'm going to show you guys how to do a very quick, soft glam look. I know those looks are really popular right now, so I think I'm going to show you guys how to create that look using this palette. I also love how sleek the palette is. It's very simple, but if we're being quite honest, these are the kind of palettes that most people go for, even I myself, like when I'm traveling. These are the kinds of palettes that I go for because they're neutral in color, so I know that I can create any look with this palette to match any outfit or any occasion. And also the packaging is just so sleek and modern that I love. Last thing that I have in my box is the Blink Black Lash Primer. So this is a lash primer. Put this on your eyes, on your lashes before mascara. So I'm also going to be trying this today. Yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and put everything to the test. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited for this look.
Alrighty guys, so we are going to start off by applying some of the Glam Glow Berry Glow Mask that came in this month's box, and I'm going to leave this on my skin while I work on the eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids using the Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Primer that also came in this month's box. I'm just going to apply that all over the lid to prepare for eyeshadow. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm working from the palette that also came in this month's box, and I'm going to start off with the shade Base, and I'm going to put that in my crease as my transition shade.
The shadow base is very sticky. It is very pigmented, but wherever that color fade first kind of stands, it's extremely difficult to blend out because the base is so sticky. So what I'm gonna do is that for this eye, I'm gonna see if we can make this work. I'm gonna get a little bit of translucent powder, and I'm just gonna set that base down just so that it's not so sticky, because it's pretty sticky. It's so sticky, like my eyelids are like sticking together. It's very, very, very sticky. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of translucent powder and kind of set that in. Yeah, much better. So definitely set it with some translucent powder before going in with it, because look how patchy that is.
I am next going to be taking a concealer and a flat concealer brush, and I am going to use this to begin to carve out my lid, that crease area, to make things just a little bit neater because they did get just a bit messy. Going back into the palette, I'm going to take the shade Sheen and I'm going to apply this right on top of wherever we applied that concealer. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and create a winged liner, and I am using the Hank & Henry Black Liquid Liner, and actually this eyeliner is part of the May box. I just had mine from a previous box, but some of you guys might get it in this month's box. I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline using a nude pencil, and then I'm going to take the dark brown shade that's in the palette, and I'm going to apply this to my bottom lash line just to add a little bit more depth to the eye and kind of smoke things up just a little bit. I also forgot to mention that I did go ahead and did my face makeup off camera just to kind of save us some time. I'm going to go ahead and dust off the powder that's under my eyes, and I'm going to go in with the Sigma blush in the shade Pinkin, and I'm going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks. This has been my go-to blush recently, and if you ever want to know what blush I am wearing, it is most likely this one. I just love the baby pink color of it. It's my absolute favorite at the moment. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to buff the powder into my skin and get rid of any extra loose powder. Going in with the Blink Eyelash Primer that came in this month's box, I'm going to apply a generous coat to my lashes before going in with mascara, and this is just going to make our lashes appear just a little bit bigger and larger and fuller, and it's perfect to prep the eyelashes for mascara or lashes. And by lashes, I mean falsies.
Okay guys, so this is it. This is a completed look once you put everything together, the lips, the lashes, finish off with the hair. This is everything. To be quite honest, this was not my favorite Boxy box. I feel like there's been the past months that the boxes have been really, really good, and this one wasn't really doing it for me. One product that I did not enjoy was the eyeshadow base or the eyeshadow primer. It was too sticky to the point that if you look closely, there is gaps of eyeshadow missing, because this product was so sticky that wherever you would put down your brush, it would kind of like create like a clump of product. So I was not too into the primer, but I think I kind of made it work. And hopefully you can't really tell too much through camera what's really going on in my eyes. I loved the mask, the Glam Glow face mask. I love Glam Glow. That's my go-to face mask company. So I'm really excited that I get to try a new one from them. And I think it did a really good job at like moisturizing my skin. My skin is looking really good because I've been really consistent with my skincare. So let me know what you got in your box. Was it a hit? Was there a miss? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Honestly, I wasn't too excited for this month's box, but that's okay. I mean, not every month is going to be great. I do still think we got some great products, but I wasn't like overly excited for it, you know? But yeah guys, so that is going to complete today's video. Thank you so much for watching and being here. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you. I love you. I hope you're staying safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you go. It helps me out a lot when you do that. And I think that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!